Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the FOV scaling setting in Ashes of Creation. Let's begin by opening the game menu. Do so by pressing the escape key or the corresponding key on your keyboard. You can also open it from this gear icon right here. In the main menu, open Game Options. Make sure you're in the Gameplay tab, right? And in the Camera and Movement. Here you can set the FOV scaling from vertical to horizontal to automatic. I will set it to automatic. Once you make your choice, simply close the window. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.